Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will be showing you some maintenance tips for routers. When taking a look at maintenance for routers, a couple things that you'll want to do. With the motor housing, you will want to take some compressed air and blow the dust chips out of the motor housing. You want to make sure you're using dry compressed air, and that will help clean it up. Don't use solvents or any other type of harsh chemicals for cleaning the non-metallic parts. It will damage them, and you want to make sure you're using a clean and dry rag. Basically, the way that you're going to clean this entire router, motor, fixed base is with compressed air. You're going to want to make sure to clean inside where the bit slides into, where the collet goes on. You're going to want to make sure that your threads are good. And as well, you're also going to want to check the cords, both the detachable cord and the fixed cord, to make sure that there's no tears, dings, or cracks in them. And you also want to check the end of your plug to make sure that those are in good order.